Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll explain how to get an overdraft or something similar on Revolut. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand how it really works. At the moment, Revolut doesn't offer a traditional overdraft feature. However, you can apply for a Revolut loan, which works almost the same way by giving you short-term access to extra funds. To get started, open the Revolut app on your phone. From the home screen, tap on Add Money. This will take you to the section where loan options are available. If you're eligible, you'll see buttons that say Get Credit or Get a Loan. Tap on either of them to begin the process. You'll then see a loan calculator tool where you can select the amount you want to borrow and the repayment period. Revolut will automatically show your repayment schedule, interest rate, APR, and total amount to be repaid so you can review everything clearly before applying. Once you've chosen your preferred amount and duration, tap Continue to Application. Submit your request and wait for approval. If your loan is approved, the money will be available in your Revolut balance, and you can use it just like an overdraft to cover short-term expenses. And that's it. While Revolut doesn't offer an overdraft directly, the loan feature gives you a simple and flexible way to borrow when you need it.